Well, hello everybody and welcome back, and it's time to look at our ad and our coupons to see what we can get, well, hopefully for almost for free. And you know you want to know, so like and share the video on your way in. And let's talk about all these awesome new extra deals. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends and it's your first time here, well, welcome, come on in. Go ahead and like and share the video too. And look below, there's a subscription button. Go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our deals, our steals, our glitches, our free stuff, our awesome information, our field trips. Oh, our community. And all the other things that we have going on here on this channel. You don't want to miss any of those things. So go ahead, subscribe, and we'll come to you every day with a deal. And please, everybody, leave the video a 3-word comment if you would, please and thank you. Let the video play all the way to the end, and let those ads play through if you would, please. All those things so help the channel and any other creator that you watch. Please do those things for them, especially right now, because what happens now dictates what happens in the new year with YouTube. So please, 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 give the video all the love you got. It takes you 4 seconds. Alright, everybody. What do we have going on here? Well, not a whole lot, because it is all but 4 pages of ads. But we got some stuff. So let's have a look at what we got on our ad, and then we'll hit our coupons and see what we can do, guys. We got Coke bottles 3 for $12. You've got General Mills cereal 4 for $8. We got coupons for this. We got coupons for that Folgers, guys. If you haven't used your buy 2 save 3 coupons, well, you got coupons for all of this Mountain Dew and Lay's products. Now, this is some of the new things I was talking about right here, guys. This is save 5 when you spend $30 on any Procter & Gamble laundry product. So this is a Dollar General store coupon. And it's not going to work with any other store coupons. So you need manufactured coupons. So we'll have to go through those and see what kind of manufactured coupons we may have. Now, we also have our Purex deal, and it's for $15. Purex per sale, Snuggle, and all. Boy, brain fart. You've got a $4 coupon for all. You've got a $2 coupon for this right here. And let me tell you, this is going to be a really good deal. So this is going to be our daily deal. I'll get you a scenario going for that. Now let's talk about this instant savings of $4. Again, if you can hold off on this, don't do it for the $20. That's what happened over here with the per sale deal. And a lot of us just quit doing it for the $20. And they went back to the $15. So, if you can go without the Scott, let's try to wait until they go back down to $15. Now, we do have a lot of Angel Soft earns and digital coupons. So, you might want to go that route. Because if you spend... If you buy 3 of these, you'll be getting $3 off, okay? But it's going to be 3 different ones. But like this, they've got different ones like scented and some other different ones. But you have dollar digital coupons and dollar earns on these. And there's at least 4 of them, I do believe. And the BOGO Dunkin' Donuts coffee deal is still going on, guys. So if that's still going on in your store, go ahead and pick it up. You still have one of those $3 coupons that's working for that. You've got a $2.50 coupon on the Maxwell House. You've got 2 for $6 on the Smucker's Jelly. And I think there's a coupon for that. That's new. We'll have to check that out. We got 3 for $8 on the Kellogg cereal, and some of those Kellogg cereals have earned, so you'll have to look at that one. Smithville bacon for $5. I don't know if that's an actual sale or not. It might be like the regular price. 3 for $5 on the chunky soups. medicines, and 50 cents and $1 off on those. Not very big coupons, is it? We've got $2 off on some Irish Spring or soft soap. We've got $1 off on the Secret, but we have a store coupon for that Secret deodorant too, so we might want to do that deal. You got a $3 off on the Gillette and Venus, a $3 off on some Always, another $6 off on Always. It's the big packages. Now $1 off on when you spend $5 on Ajax or Palmolive. Huh. Hopefully that's a store coupon. We'll have to check that out. Looks like we've got some Gain coupons that might be regular coupons. $3 off on the big one and $4 off on this $5.50 liquid. Of course, we have $1 off on some Clorox products. $3 off a $16.75 Bounty purchase, guys. Now we also have 2 for $15 on these $9.95 Gain products. And that is a store coupon also. And then we have $2 off on the Arm & Hammer. A $2 off on the Dawn products. It's the Dawn spray power wash product. And that's it, guys. That's absolutely it. So let's go have a look at some coupons and see if we can make a deal. All of these paper manufactured coupons for these Gain products are good into the 4th. So if you happen to have these, you can use them with any of those Gain store coupons. So that is, I mean, I'm so glad that we have these paper Gain coupons back, because now we can take advantage of the extra savings with the digital store coupons. So, and of course, as I said before, if you need these coupons, go to Coupon Flea Market, go to clip2save.com, and you could get some of these coupons. You might be able to even pre-order them. Let's start with this double dip Gain and Downy deal. You've got $5 off when you purchase 30 or more store coupon, and you've got a couple of items with a couple of other coupons that will make this work. Like I said, it's a store coupon, and we only have a few manufactured coupons. So we have this one for $1.55 for scent boosters. Okay, that's working on the Downy Ultralight for $11.75. Okay. And we need $11.75 because we got to spend $30. So we got to stay within, you know, our price range. And since we only have the 2 coupons, I think, to work with, then the 2 items should be fine. So $11.75 for these Downy laundry scent booster beads. It can be any of those $11.75 fragrances, as long as the coupon for $1.55 attaches and the 5 off when you spend $30 attaches. Next, we're going to pick up the Gain Ultra Oxy Laundry Detergent for $18.95. And again, now the $3 coupon also works with the Tide product, and the Tide's $1 more, so you could use the Tide product if you wanted to, because either one will work with this 5 off of 30. It's for Tide, Downy, or Gain products. So if you're a Tide and Downy person, then use the Tide and Downy. Now this is the total deal here. Your deals applied was the $1.55 and your 5 off. Deals applied is the $3 off and the $5 off. And out of pocket is going to be $20, pretty much. Savings of $9.56, guys, on this deal. Okay? And so if it's going to be about $20, well, your liquid detergent was $18.95. So I think that's a winner chicken dinner deal right there. And on the 2 for $15 Gain products, these are glitching, just like the other ones are glitching. But you do have a $1.55 coupon on the Gain fireworks that will work on this. Okay? And of course, like I said, if you've got the paper coupons, then you've got a $2 also that will work on this. But this is a store coupon, so you can't match it up with that 5 off of 30. Okay? So if you want to do this deal, you do it separately. And you can do it any day of the week, just so you know. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Next up, we got our favorite deal. Yes, our 5 off of 15 deal. If you've not tried Crazee yet, well, take this opportunity to save you some money and try a detergent that you'll switch to. Because the Crazee is really, really good. You'll be using your Gain just for your fireworks and your fabric softener before it's over with, if you try the Crazee. So, love you bunches. If you haven't shown the video some love yet, please do so. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We love more crazy friends. And we love to help you save money. Don't forget, if you haven't put it in the comments yet, check your app. Tell me how much money you've saved this year on your DG products. Because, well, inquiring minds want to know. And nosy women, too. Blessings, and I love you bunches.